tell us about your organization's role in the joinery sector?
So the organisation is a through and through timber distribution business in the UK, historically focusing on commodity products and distribution into commodity markets. Very much lately with acquisitions, both in terms of staff and new trading locations. We're focused on end user markets.
Which Vicaima products offer the greatest potential?
Furniture componentry, really, actually, is why we're here. We're really interested in the innovation Vicaima are making. They offer a unique portfolio of products that are potentially a one-stop solution for high-end specialist manufacturers, such as the superyacht industry, which is why we're here today. Their challenges are that there just aren't people in the supply chain that can offer the variety of products that Vicaima can offer in terms of whether it's case goods or show wood, together with the design skills you've got here and the innovative passion that the company seems to be made of.
How do you believe Vicaima can benefit your business?
Vicaima's offering us an opportunity to diversify our business, to engage with new customers and new customer types, and it gives us a huge opportunity to showcase how deep our supply chain is, actually, in its specialist applications.
What stood out most or even surprised you?
Well, I think the H2P equipment was something we'd never seen before. It's a level of innovation in our industry which doesn't often see big breakthroughs. The timber industry, kind of by definition, doesn't reinvent itself that frequently, and I can think of probably 2 or 3 occasions in my career, which is 32 years in the timber industry, where I've been really surprised what we can do in this industry to innovate, but not just innovate in terms of the quality of the products or the cost-saving aspects or the labour-saving aspects, but what I'm seeing at Vicaima really is something that delivers a deep sense of ecological saving as well. The ability to work with basic products and engineer them into high-quality specialist finished products is something I think could change the industry for high-quality furniture manufacturers in particular.
In 3 words, what sets Vicaima apart?
My 3 words that best describe Vicaima, I would say number 1 is trust, because with timber distribution, you're entirely reliant upon your supply chain. They're everything to you. They are your quality, they are your product development, they are your pricing, they are your service. As a distributor, you're reflecting everything that your supply chain is. So the number 1 thing that has to exist between us and our suppliers is trust, and I would say that word especially applies to trust. Secondly, the second word I would use would be relationships. So we've known each other for a long time as individuals, and I think what Vicaima do very well actually is, whilst at the same time as being a big and serious corporation, they still convey a relational kind of approach where you feel like you're being treated like individuals and your individual needs are being respected. So that's great. My final word is kind of probably more than one final word, actually. It's innovation and technology. It's a commitment to their business to keep it moving. Now, if there's one thing I understand about businesses and the longevity for businesses, it's that you've got to keep changing, you've got to keep adapting. That then, when you're in a market, you need to be working with people that you know are going to be about tomorrow and the day after and the year after, and that's what you get a deep sense of security for with Vicaima, because they're constantly innovating and adapting and changing their business.